Hey everybody, I'm here today to tell you that these two words can literally make your life so much better. That's right, I'll be going over two simple words, and I truly believe that if you use these words effectively, they will allow your life to be so much better. So without further ado, I'm going to try and keep this video short, sweet, and straight to the point. These are the two words. The two words are I am. Those are the two words, I am. And I'll say one last time, I am. That's all you gotta do. I am. Simple combination of two words, I am. Okay? Now, if you just say I am, is that gonna help you? No, I am. I am. No, you have to finish it off. But those are the two words that are the beginning of what can revolutionize your life. Fill in the blank after those two words with something that is what you want to be. Something that you are trying to achieve. I am a great person. I am a great spouse. I am a great parent. I am a great teacher. I am fit. I am a person that people enjoy being around. I am blah, blah, blah. Fill it in. When you do that, you are sending signals to your brain, telling your brain what you believe the reality is. Okay, so I'm not fit right now. Okay, I would say that this is one of the least fit times of my life right now. Okay, for a multitude of reasons, but I'm not going to go over my explanation and this and that of why I'm not that fit right now. Okay, because at the end of the day, it's really just for the most part, they're just excuses for the most part. Okay, I could be fit if I really, really wanted to, and I make the choice to do other things instead. Okay, you know, some things are more important to me than fitness, and some things are just like I'd rather do this just because I'm too tired to work out. Okay, but if I wanted to be fit, like right now I don't really have too much of a desire to be fit, but if I really wanted to be fit, I would say I am a person that runs 5 kilometers a day. I am a person that lifts weights 4 days a week. I'm a person that eats healthy foods. I'm a person that makes healthy choices physically that relate to my fitness. I am a fit person. I would say these things. And that would make me more likely to do those things. Of course, by saying I am this, you have to take the action, right? So, but just by saying I am, it doesn't mean that it's just going to magically happen, but it will remind you that you're trying to do this thing. Right? It'll keep your pathway nice and narrow, nice and straight to where you want to be. Very simple, okay? So fitness for me is something that I do want to get into. Again, I used to be really fit, and then I let myself go, like I said, because I put lots of things first. Some of the things are obviously more important to me than fitness. I have 4 kids, so, my 4 kids are more important to me than working out. I'm a husband, I have a wife, right? So my wife is more important to me than working out, but so those things are more important, of course, my job is more important to me than working out. I gotta work, blah, blah, blah. But there are other things that I do that I just do them because I'm a little bit too lazy to work out. So I play video games when I could be working out, right? So video games are just something that I'm like, it's more comfortable for me to play video games than work out. Other things like watching TV. I watch not a lot of TV, but I'll watch TV when I could be, let's say, on the elliptical and watching that same TV, right? Consuming that same content, right? I could even be playing video games while I'm on the elliptical or on a treadmill or whatever the case is, right? So I could do it. There are other things that I just do these other things that I don't work out because it's more comfortable for me to play video games than work out. It's more comfortable for me to watch TV than work out, blah, blah, blah. So, I don't work out because some things are more important to me than working out, which those things I totally understand. But other things are just like, I'm just more comfortable doing this thing for fun than working out. So, a lot of it is on me. A lot of it is on me. And I do plan on being fit in the future, when I change my lifestyle, and I do almost like when I look into my own lifestyle, when I audit my own lifestyle and figure out where I can incorporate working out, and I make a plan. So that is, hopefully something I'm going to do in the future. But when the time comes, I will be saying I am a person that works out when I can. I am a person that incorporates fitness into my lifestyle. I am a person that is fit. I am a person that will reach my fitness goals. I will be saying these words when the time comes. It's something that I truly believe will work if you use it properly. And that's it. Hopefully, I've got nothing else for you, to be honest with you. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. Hopefully you can make use of it. And hopefully you like this content overall. But yeah, other than that, I've got nothing else. So with nothing else, we are going to roll the outro. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.